So the Sweden Innovation Week was the first e-learning expedition that we organized in Open Innovation with the support of RISE and Ignite to discover the Swedish innovation ecosystem. The purpose was to have an in-depth vision of this ecosystem, how it operates, how it can match with some of L'Oréal targets and strategies, and who are the relevant actors that we should meet.
Beauty is moving in the tech direction. It's really going fast in this direction. So that's why we are really open to interact with what we call the deep tech and mainly deep tech startups. And that's why we are really eager to evaluate what startup could propose.
Ignite is a national non-profit organization co-owned by Swedish incubators and science parks. Our mission is to support Swedish startups with access to the right potential customers, not only Swedish large companies, but also international. Therefore, it's been fantastic to be able to work together with L'Oréal and give our Swedish startups the opportunity of actually meeting this giant. We know by experience that the more people engaged in the first meeting with the startups, the higher probability is that the startup and the large company will actually start a collaboration after the meeting. So for us, that was also a huge part of the success. We have set a new standard. This is definitely the new way of working. Even post-pandemic, we will absolutely do this over and over again. I think it's a brilliant way for our startups to get access to these kind of large companies. That could actually mean the future for them.
There are at least two different benefits for doing this tour virtually online. The opportunity to meet many different locations during the same week, which would never have been possible in real life. And secondly, exposing these meetings to relevant parties at the customer and seeing the number of participants from the L'Oréal side has been truly rewarding.